Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Decathlon points in your account, basically. So what we are need to do is head over here to our membership area. So navigate to the manage. So what you need to do is head over here to the top right corner where you see your profile icon. Then click on it, and you will see directly right here in the left top corner your name, and right here how many points you have, and the bottom at the bottom will be basically that you can uh, redeem your points right here. So if you click on it, you will be now redirected to the next page where you can select um, basically what you can do with that. So you can change these points to your €5, €10 voucher basically. But yeah, as you can see, you need 3,000 points or 6,000 points for that. So right now I can do much with 500 points. But as you can see, you can basically make it to the gift card, and then you can spend it this way in your Decathlon shop. And this is pretty much what you can do. So now points are typically converted at the following rate. So if you have 1000 points, this will be something like €3 voucher, um, or I think a little bit more or less. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.